Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with one recipe of Aaloo ka paratha, which is a quite easy recipe, and I would be showing you today how to cook the Aaloo ka paratha and even how to freeze them for about 1 month, which is a very good option for the working people. So all you have to do is just take out one paratha, heat it up, and then you have your breakfast, dinner, or even a lunch ready. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and do leave a comment below if you like my video. So let's begin the cooking. These are the ingredients you need to make a Aaloo ka paratha. Here I have 2 boiled potato, boiled and peeled, and I have a wheat flour. Even you can use all-purpose flour if you like. And then I have a cooking oil. I have some chopped coriander leaves, salt to taste, and I have few cumin seeds and a coriander powder. And here I have some dry mango powder, carom seeds, and then nigella seeds. This is optional. If you don't like them, just skip it. And I have some chopped green chili, some turmeric, and a red chili powder. So before I do anything, let me make a dough for the paratha. I'll move all these ingredients aside. In the flour, you don't have to add anything except water, because salt and rest of the ingredients we would be adding into the stuffing. So by adding little water, I'll make one nice and soft dough. Now I'll add some cooking oil on it. Now our dough is ready. I'll keep this aside for 5 minutes. Now I have mashed the potato using my hand. Now I'll add all the ingredients. After adding all the ingredients, now I'll mix again. Now our filling is ready. What I'll do is I'll divide this into small portion. You can keep as big as you want, but I like it a bit smaller. I have made 6 of them. Now let me just go and wash my hands. Now everything is ready. Our dough is also ready, or stuffing also is ready. And before I start assembling the paratha, I will just switch on the gas and keep it on to low flame so that the pan gets heated. Now I am going to divide this dough into 6 portions. I'll keep it aside. Now I'll take one piece of dough. All you have to do is press your fingers like this, keep your thumb here, and the other side, just pull it out. Close it, taking the edges. Let me show you one more. All our paratha is ready to roll and cook. I'll just place them into the same bowl. Now all our paratha is ready to roll and cook. So before I start anything, I will increase the thumb rule of rolling paratha, any kind of stuffed paratha, you have to be very gentle. If you be very gentle, your paratha comes out nice and round, and this stuffing also will not come out. All my round paratha is ready. Now I will place this onto a tawa. I will roll one more. Now I will flip the paratha and cook both the sides. I'll cook this paratha till they have a nice and brown spots on it. Paratha is ready. I'll just take it onto a plate. See? Yummy kurkura paratha is ready. Now this is how you have to cook your normal paratha till it gets nice and golden brown spots on it. I'll keep it aside. Now I'll show you how you have to cook the paratha to freeze it. Now you don't have to cook this entirely. You have to only cook it till 75%. I will flip it. I'll just apply a bit of oil. Our aloo ka paratha is ready to freeze it. Now I will just take this out onto a plate. See, it is not fully cooked. And when you defreeze it and when you want to cook it, you will cook for another few more minutes by adding little more oil on it. So I will start preparing all the parathas to freeze it and allow them to cool. Now both the parathas are ready. This is ready to serve. I'm serving with the pickle curd. I'm going to freeze these paratha. That's why I have cooked them to 75%. To freeze this paratha, you need few grease-proof paper, जिसको मैंने ऐसे square में cut कर लिया है. And then you need 2 Ziploc pouches. It's a large size Ziploc pouches. I got this from Home Bargain. Now the paratha is also have come to a room temperature. I will show you how to freeze it. First what I'll do, I'll keep one grease paper down. I'll take one paratha, place it on it, and then place another paper on it. Then place one more paratha and just repeat the same process. Now I will put them into a Ziploc pouches. There should not be any air in it. See, your paratha is ready to go into the freezer for good 1 month. That's it for today, guys. If you like my today video, give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to share my channel with your friends and family. And please do leave a comment below in the comment section how you make your parathas and how you freeze them. and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, you guys take good care of yourself, eat healthy, stay healthy. Bye bye. I can't resist now. I have to taste this paratha. Nice and crunchy.